How to access your email account from cPanel Webmail. Webmail allows you to access your email account through an internet browser.
In the address bar of your internet browser, type https://example.com/webmail.
Here, example.com is the domain of the email address we want to access. Just replace example.com with the domain of the email address and hit Enter button. Now enter the email address and password. Click the Login button. You can click to check this box so that you can directly open the inbox next time you log in. Now click the Open button. Here you can compose and access mails, save contacts, etc. You now know how to access your email account from cPanel Webmail.
Thank you for watching.